Hi, my name is Vicky. I'm a family support worker here in Clan Mor Shore Start. We're situated in the Moran Sheenan Centre in Albert Street, and I'm just one member of a dedicated team of staff here to support you and your family. The families we would work with would be from prenatal to 4 years of age. We offer a vital service to the community. We work in the area of the Falls, the Clonard, Roden Street, Grosvenor and Springfield. The services we would provide would be play development programs, 2-year-old programs, breastfeeding support. We have a number of baby therapies. For the full list, please contact us on Facebook, or you can reach us on 90327755.
Good morning, boys and girls. My name is Colin, and I work at Colin Clan Mor at the 2-year-old program. And this is my little teddy bear, and his name is Blue because he has a little blue scarf. Say hello, Blue. Hello. So what we're going to do today is we are going to do some rhythm and rhymes and some little songs, and we might even have a special guest. Do you know who it is, Blue? Oh, it's so exciting. Okay, well, we get started, boys and girls. We're going to sing a song about my teddy bear. My teddy bear has ears, his eyes, his nose, his paws. So if you get your teddy bear and put him on your knee, great job. Let's do this. My teddy bear has 2 eyes. My teddy bear has 2 eyes. My teddy bear has 2 eyes. I love my teddy bear. My teddy bear has 1 nose. My teddy bear has 1 nose. My teddy bear has 1 nose. I love my teddy bear. My teddy bear has 2 ears. My teddy bear has 2 ears. My teddy bear has 2 ears. I love my teddy bear. My teddy bear has 2 arms. My teddy bear has 2 arms. My teddy bear has 2 arms. I love my teddy bear. My teddy bear has 2 legs. My teddy bear has 2 legs. My teddy bear has 2 legs. I love my teddy bear. My teddy bear has 4 paws. My teddy bear has 4 paws. My teddy bear has 4 paws. I love my teddy bear. Oh, big cuddles for all your teddy bears, boys and girls. Do you love your teddy bear as much as I love my teddy bear, boys and girls? Are you bringing your teddy bear to the teddy bear picnic on Friday? Because you're going to have so much fun. There's going to be games and singing and dancing. Oh, it's going to be so much fun, boys and girls. So make sure that you bring your teddy bear on Friday to the teddy bear's picnic. Boys and girls, can you have a little look behind me? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to do a rhyme that I know that you will know. 5 little teddy bears jumping on the bed. Okay, boys and girls? Can you get your fingers ready? Let me see them wiggling. There we go. 5 little teddy bears jumping on the bed. 1 fell off and bumped his head. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, no more teddy bears jumping on the bed. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little teddy bears jumping on the bed. 1 fell off and bumped his head. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, no more teddy bears jumping on the bed. 3 little teddy bears jumping on the bed. 1 fell off and bumped his head. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, no more teddy bears jumping on the bed. 2 little teddy bears jumping on the bed. 1 fell off and bumped his head. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, no more teddy bears jumping on the bed. 1 little teddy bear jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, no more teddy bears jumping on the bed. Oh, I know, I love that rhyme too, and I know we shouldn't jump on the bed, but it's so much fun to jump on the bed, isn't it, Blue? So much fun jumping on the bed. I know, but we should listen to our mummies. What's that noise? What are you sampling? Oh, you can hear something. What can you hear? Oh my, boys and girls, look who it is. Can everyone say hello? Hello, Teddy Bear. Hello, Teddy Bear. It's so nice to see you, Teddy Bear. Teddy Bear, would you like to sing a song with us? Yes, let's sing a song with our teddy bear. We're going to do teddy bear, turn around. Well, we give the teddy bear lots of things to do, and we can use our baton signs. That'll be good, teddy bear. Okay, let's try this one. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, reach up high. Teddy bear, touch the sky. Ready, boys and girls? Teddy bear, bite your nose. Teddy bear, touch your toes. Teddy bear, bind your knees. Teddy bear, sit down, please. Thank you so much, Mr. Teddy, for coming. Everyone say bye-bye to Mr. Teddy. Bye-bye, Mr. Teddy. Boys and girls, that was so much fun. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you all on Friday. Don't forget to bring your teddy to the Teddy Bears picnic. Thank you.
Té fiog a Aquaflow. Hort an Aquaflow Mor, flua a shrone. Nach bucor da Aquaflow biog no more, a dul isteach go bra a chuile no canó. Du dúrcha a chuile ach a seig an sin. Tá look for grande deisiil agus di. Hort té biog a Aquaflow a hanel na húd. Có rístar cólach an luchtá seo. Éile aiglach grande, éile aiglach crust. Feg, donke. Feg, donke, feg. Anna. Feg, latna kelle, donke. Carbolation. Gruffalo. Hort éisa nach raibh cuimhne chomh maith as facór. Chacas a ceannis chacas is seán. Tá an look for grande uva sacláder. Stíl de dowel fada geach. Na súlan a lasa mar an tinne. Fiúsach bearach. Una laigro. An ihe le snád an gruff mar a colour. Derek an té beag an tíidin up po fada. Skur sucker is asan na soon. Rinne I sleig amach as an uv. Snada trum is gwei vor. Ach fa isha gan agel. Af rud ma krach. Ki is stach down a quilla. Fak?
Begar nachnach.
An snach de ern
Agus tá sin an Aquaflow beag agus an Aquaflow
Agus sin snach de ern talif. Lan snach de. Agus cúnach I an orshin lurgan an snad. Cóhú leis van larach, cá dhéine I amach. Ach glánis gún láníd, nín an anra. Go síl fada de daryl. An bio seo an look grande. An look grande? An é seo an look grande? Níl. Mac an hannig rud schneidach ach súlan gial. Si, co tusa an look grande, cu daryl ca bhí. sé anams ach nahar can il fosso from Sean. Tá an look grand ag ann ag ihe cake gruffalo. Cake gruffalo? Ba fádach a gwi agus tuisteach an sneid. Ceann éil agal orm idir san gruff beag bóid. Gruff beag. Donna Gruffalo beag. Oh, teen piece. piece of tea. Agus cúnach í an uair sin láthach san snáut. Cóhfuin an seán sin can dhéanaí amach. Ach leanas cún leanas iad a cosóid riad an taobh. Go rúgan na súl darda sús an craibh.
Lig Donncha feic.
Feic an súl
Feic
darda.
sin Donncha.
Donncha feic an súl darda. Feic tú sin? Feic tú sin?
Feic tú sin.
Súl darda. Am agach gout. Sios leis a cruthar, seo le sráid ag sríoch. Cábhar fiúsach fó seán, ná irbhil scíal. Cá tusa an le grande, cá vís na ró. Ach tá í seo an altaigen ag ihe pai gruffalo. Gwy láidir bó túi le uid agus aig. Tá il agal an idir tuat an tar bié.
Lig Donncha feic. Feic sin. Gruffalo beag agus egg beag.
Agus tá agla? An gruffalo biag.
Donncha.
Agus chunig í an uair sin léirfach an snád. Có rinne aim seo, cá dhéanaí amach. Ach leanas go leanaí iad a críoch na ceag. Gus na ranaí fiúsach. An fiúil tá go talamh. Rhysús písa. Písa beag, rhysús.
Písa beag.
An chuid leat ec?
Feic na hanach. Cadw lei sin.
An na das.
Go cadw lei sin Donncha.
Wow.
Gur ma go.
Feicir leatnig seo.
Feic
seo. An sin nád beathach le súla an gheal crín, le irbhil gan gheann an fosol cóhvéin. Cá tusa an look granda, go dearbh cá bhí. Tá an look sin tó crí ógal, gruffalo tí. Tuairt an taobh beag, tá isam nach bhí. Look for granda idir san tír. Tá iad a tarim a cuis, ho ro is he rí.
Victor an sin fearg snachta.
Fearg snachta.
Fearg snachta an sin.
Ach seo tá an drasta tí, a neann amach as an té. Ceann éile idir granda nó mar sam bheith. Snach í a bhís blasta rosta nó brí. Thuirt an luchach beag de sucker a gruffalo. Tá cearad an seo agam is for cuairt ó teacúnach. Sméad ní rís bó grioch nach chuidéireach. Colin Clan Mor agus granda can acha tú saol. Lei an gruff beag don luchach strach. Sús don a craibh. Cá craig mí seo idir agus an ach mí lein sú. An look for granda sfagil a taobh. Stud tú sort san luchach. Gus an ach tú a bhrúd. A bhrúd? Búi agus slán gon de dara a dhéalach. Na sulas gon fachas. Cos eigel an talamh. Feic an talamh? Tá eigel an talamh?
Agus rinne an look beag sin.
Shadow?
Rinne an look beag sin.
They an cruthorta seo ladder mar agus granda. Tá fiúsach bhrúnach irbhil an ground. Scad nach ach mí a súlan beir bhise mo geala. Geal iad mór agus dearad an lasa mar duine. An lasa mar duine, Donncha? Donncha? An lasa mar duine? Donncha? Donncha, feic?
Feic an look beag agus an
Feic an look beag.
Má le tú sin? Má le tú sin?
Grit and gruff beag olive. Colúid go gra. Go look go gianna. Go Urim na fair. Agus cuilaí an uair sin, lugan na sneig. Cobú leis na bhán le lágan. Cá rohí de dul. Fice seo. Fice na pintaí sin. Céir atá hóla inis.
Agus in this time go
Ok, le me. Agus lein is go lein. Í go beal na hú. Fear an róh tá bheag sa Gruffalo crí leis Iúil.
You're gonna see.
A codí a bha saba sa rinne a gáir beag fian. Feic. Tá Gruffalo ras le ahar. Le na ahar. No máthar. Ní is lugum. Am sé ahar no máthar.
Tá sé ahar.
Ahar.
Tá sé ahar.
Ras le ahar. An sa bháte. Agus sin é. Svan na Gruffalo Mor féin na colla le srán. Tá na Gruffalo in a colla agus sin é.
Hi everyone, Catherine here and Miss
Olivia.
and today we're going to make sensory bag. It's very simple. We're going to be using a freezer bag, some
Yellow PM and some red PM and then some butterflies and then some rainbow sticks.
very good. So we're going to start off by putting the
Yellow PM. Here, have it.
there we go, we'll pull it down like that. Yay! There we go. Now what's next?
We have red PM.
Put it down at the bottom. Good girl. And some red, some more. Go put some more in. Yeah. And what are you going to put in next? We're going to put in some sticks. Go put those in. Good girl. And put in some butterflies. Ooh, you put some in. Put some more sticks in. Oh, it's okay. Well done. Well done, ready? Right, now look at the bag, everyone, and we're going to zip it up. We're going to put it on the tray, and we're going to squeeze it all out. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. How's that feel, Olivia? Does it feel all squishy? Can you feel the butterflies?
I can feel rainbow.
And you can feel the rainbow sticks. Is it lovely? And we'll move it all around. This is such great fun, guys. It's a little sensory bag, and kids love to feel and squish and feel all the different textures.
And you can draw on it in your bag.
Well, maybe we can try. Go you, Robin. Oh, wow. And you think, doesn't it? What does it feel like? Funny. And there's so much other things you can do and how to make a sensory bag. You can put glue in it. You can put shaving foam. You can put all sorts, anything that you have about the house that you think would be good for a bit of sensory motion. Just using a zip-up freezer bag, and it's great fun for the kids. Hope everybody's keeping safe, and thank you for watching. Bye!
Hi everyone, Tricia and Eva here, and today we're going to do some garden yoga. Our message of the month movement is good for my body and my brain. So we're all going to do some warm-up stretches. So everybody sit on your bottom, legs stretched out, arms by your side and a nice straight back. First we're going to stretch our bodies to wake them up. So we're going to stretch our arms up really high to the sky and down to the earth. Stretch up high to the sky and down to the earth. Big stretch high to the sky and down to the earth. Okay, so now we're going to wake up our bodies. We're going to wake up our arms, our legs, and we're going to wake up our feet. So we're going to give our arms a little rub. And we're going to say, wake up arms. And we're going to rub our legs. Big rubs. Wake up legs. Everybody shout. We're going to give our feet a little rub. Wake up, feet. And we're going to give our heads a little rub, wee massage to wake up our imagination. So in the garden, there's lots of things to see. So Emer and I have been looking around the garden, listening to all the birds chirping, and there's some little yoga poses we're going to go through. One of the first things we seen was a little frog. So everybody crouched down like a little frog. And we're going to hop about like a little frog. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Okay. Then as we were sitting, a few little butterflies flew past us with beautiful coloured wings. So we're just going to do the butterfly pose. We're just going to bend our legs up and down. Give them a good stretch. Well done, Emer. Okay, then we sing some pretty flowers. So, all the pretty flowers were opening their petals. Stretching out your legs. What's that I hear? I hear the birds chirping. Let's do a bird pose. We're going to flap our wings. Pretty birdies. We're going to give them another wee flap this way. Hello, birdie. Hello, birdie. Okay. So when we were thinking about the lovely flowers, decided that we were going to plant some lovely seeds. So here was a tiny, tiny seed in the ground. We're just trying to think of what we need to help Emer seed grow. Well, I think that we need lots of rain. So we're going to do the rain pose. Try and get this little seed to grow. So our little rain pose is just down here. And a big stretch. What else do we need for our little seeds to grow? Oh yes, we need some sunshine. We're going to do a sunshine pose. And hopefully we can see our little seed starting to grow very slowly as the sun shines on her. Just coming up through the ground, pushing out of the earth. The sun will shine on this little seed and she's going to turn into a beautiful tree. She's going to spread her branches high. And she's going to just move all her little leaves in the sun. Well done, Emer. So we're just going to have a little sit down now. And we're going to do some relaxation. So if Emer is going to demonstrate by lying down, flat on her back. She's going to start to relax. Thank goodness we've got wind as well coming. Okay, so it's time to get comfy and lie down. Put your hands on your tummy. Can you feel your breath as your tummy expands? Yes. Okay, so stretch your arms behind your head and lie still. Big, big stretch. So point your toes up to the sky and down to the earth. Up to the sky, big, big stretch, and down to the earth. Okay, we're going to raise your arms down by your sides and lift up your right leg really high. Big stretch. And then your left leg. Another big, big, big stretch. And then lift both legs together And the big stretch right, pointing your toes up to the sun. And down. Very good. So just bring yourself up to sitting, Emer. And all our boys and girls as well. We're all just going to sit facing each other. Yes. Hope you're doing all your stretching. So we're going to raise our arms up high. And then to the side. And then to the ground. Up really high again. To the side. And to the ground. We're going to bring our hands together. And give ourselves a big clap. Well done everyone. Keep stretching. And see us next time.
Díagh is Mrs. Shannon the Yilchara. Kajamara Tashiv. Today, I'd like you to join me in singing two beautiful Irish songs. The first song is called Mo Mar and translates as My Gallant Hero. And the second, Am Pwastin Finn, My Fair-Haired Child. And it's a lullaby that you can sing to your children. Mo Mar. Shall go roas im wagen heaven ishem wine tra catch a fray. Mo yelik trau na don go tren to wine and oxan him again. She mo leak mo mar, she mo has mar. Suhin the shenny war as hay. Oh, weekend my mar. Beam shebun airport gaglo. A key go cruise actor nan yor. Mar scaly we mort simron. Oh, Jimmy ween and bulbio. Shame o lech ma mar. Shame o has mar. Suhin the shenny wur as hain. Oh, weekend my mar. Shame o lech ma mar. Shame o has mar. Suhin the shenny wur as hain. Oh, weekend my mar. Hope you enjoyed. Our second song is An Pwastin Finn. Iskra Aug Fri ma Pwastin Finn. A Fri sanya e gair yam. A ki gala ma vlad na nu. Sapi mara la Marta. Is ta sa maroon. Is ta sa maroon ish magraga. Is ta sa maroon ish mahaman gabuin. Shemo gragan to agam old wiring. Is gra Aug Fri ma Pwastin Finn. A Fri sanya e gair yam. A ki gala ma vlad na nu. Sapi mara la Marta. Is ta sa maroon. Is ta sa maroon ish magraga. Is ta sa maroon ish mahaman gabuin. Shemo gragan to agam old wiring. Garamila Machkiv. Slan. everybody, welcome to Song Time at Beechmount Sure Start. Our first song is If You're Happy and You Know It, we clap our hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're sad and you know it, have a cry. Ooh. If you're sad and you know it, have a cry. Ooh. If you're sad and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're sad and you know it, have a cry. Ooh. Back to happy, everybody, back to happy. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Well done, everybody. Round of applause. Woo! Our next song is The Wheels on the Bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. And the wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish all day long. And the doors on the bus, they open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus, they open and shut all day long. And there's something else on our bus. Something very, very special. It's a bear on the bus. Ready? The bear on the bus goes yum, 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 yum. The bear on the bus goes yum, 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 all day long. Very good, everybody. I like singing about bears, and you do too. So another song we've got about bears. Let's sing The Bare Necessities. Are you ready? Yep. Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities of Mother Nature recipes that bring the bare necessities of life. Wherever I wander, wherever I go, I couldn't be fonder of my home. The bees are buzzing in the trees to make some money just for me. If you look under the rocks and plants and take a glance at fancy and maybe like you, the bare necessities of life will come to you. They'll come to you. One more time. They'll come to you. Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities of Mother Nature recipes that bring the bare necessities of life. Wherever I wander, wherever I go, I could be fonder of my home. The bees are buzzing in the trees to make some honey just for me. If you look under the rocks and plants, take a glance at the fancy and be like you. The bare necessities of life will come to you. They'll come to you. They'll come to you.